Okay, so this is looking at the Learning Support Program timetabling. So our current teacher is not available on Monday and Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we can operationalize. And you know, this could be done in different ways here. This is one way. So teach Adria on these two sections there, and I've identified these students who would go in for literacy. And does it need to be a whole hour and a half? I don't think so. Probably it could just be 45 minutes and in and out kind of thing. Always keeping the groups under 5 students, maximum of 5. So that could be parameters. Other parameters that every kid would be limited to twice a week. But this is where it gets kind of a bit complicated. Where do we take them out of? Do we take them out of the language option? What are parents going to say? We're going to need to inform and communicate with parents regarding that. Do we take them out of the Khmer program? The Khmer teachers are also probably going to have some words regarding that. So there'll need to be a communication process with all of these stakeholders. Do we prioritize English or international program, international curriculum over local curriculum, especially when most of our parents are looking at local curriculum to be, quite significant. Removal from international program is no issue, is a non-issue, so that's an easy one to take the students out of. But it's really these other two here that are the big stickers that I'm not sure how to deal with, so I'll appreciate your feedback and your words on that. I did consider that as we operationalize it, we stage it in so that we've got just focusing, for example, just focusing on literacy right now for a week or two. Then we hit January, we might be a little bit more prepared for this as well by that stage, and we can start to introduce numeracy. If we are going to operationalize it like this, then possibly all literacy is just going to go up to these top 3 blocks. Again, this is if we're ignoring their current schedules. Okay? So if we take their current schedules into account, then there's a whole lot of sub-processes that also need to that need to be respected. Communications with TAs, with teachers, considerations of impacts on different learning programs that are currently running. Okay, so that just letting you know about that, and really wanting your feedback and your thoughts on that.